Hi everybody, today I am doing a collective haul of items I have been purchasing recently. I do have another order from Hermes that should be coming hopefully soon. I haven't gotten, let me see. Yeah, I haven't gotten confirmation of delivery or shipping or anything, so hopefully it'll arrive soon. I did order it last week and it's a rose gold, the Sean Donk ring. I'll show you guys that in a shorts whenever I receive it because it's just one item for a haul. Anyways, we're gonna start off with Louis Vuitton, and I have opened these items because I did film a shorts. And the first one was special ordered or pre-ordered. It was in the Monoglam collection, and it came in this and this pouch, and I actually wanted to wear it today. And it is these earrings. Look how pretty. I think it's so cute. It's not very heavy. You can feel it. There is some weight to it. But if you guys have the Louise, I believe, earrings, those hoop ones, it's similar in weight. And I just love the chain detail and the subtle LV. If you're not really close to me or if my hair is down, you can't really see it. It just looks like a gold earring. I really like that. Okay, second item came in this, and if you know Louis Vuitton, you're already familiar. The blue leather case right there. And like I said, I have been wearing these items. So it is a pair of sunnies, and it's black with the adjustable nose tips, and on the side right here it just has Louis Vuitton and then the fleur-de-lis flowers, Vivian flowers. I don't really know what these flowers are, honestly, but they look like that. I love these. I love the adjustable nose pads because I can make it sit higher on my face if I wanted to. The only thing is it does mess with your makeup right here if you do wear makeup when you're wearing these. That's the only thing, which sucks. If you guys have any remedies to that, please let me know. Okay, next item is from Hermes. I bought this with that ring that I mentioned to you guys. Here's the packaging, and this is just a shoddy job that I did because, like I said, I already filmed the shorts for this. And if you know Hermes, you would probably already have an idea. Comes with a dust bag and the main dust bag, and I have worn this and absolutely love it. It is the Hermes Evelyn 18 or the TPM in this beautiful blue broom color, and the straps, which is a little bit long for me, I did tie a knot right there. Comes with Nata strap, and this is like a woven cloth type, and gold hardware. Look how beautiful. I just love it. And I will film a mod shots for you guys. This next item is from Fashion File, and I am returning it because I purchased a different one. So I originally purchased this because I thought it would be part of the 10% discount that they were offering at that time. It wasn't. And I also paid for overnight shipping. I didn't receive it until 3 days later, which is annoying. But nonetheless, this is she. Came in the Fashion File dust bag. Ta-da! Isn't it so cute? But like I said, I got something else, so I will be returning her. This is called the Gucci Monogram Jumbo GG Mini Bamboo 1947. And if you buy this in store, you do receive 2 straps. I didn't read the description. It only came with the 1 strap, which is the red and green Gucci strap. And this claw clasp is super cool. I really like how it's very different. You can see, and it says Gucci on it. It's really cute. I really like the size. It's, if you guys are on the market, check it out. Like I said, I will be returning her. She's so cute. I love the size. It's so tiny, literally fits my daughter perfectly, but I am a mini bag lover, so I do enjoy the mini bags. Last item, which is why I'm returning that Gucci bag from Fashion File, is from the Gucci store. This bag is gigantic, and these straps are extra long because you're supposed to wear them on the shoulder. I didn't know that. I was just dragging it on the floor, just so bad. My sales associate gave this little pouch to my daughter and put some snacks in it. And then I did get an extra 2 pouches. Let me show you guys. Look how nicely wrapped it is. So cute. I asked for bigger ones to put my groceries in so I can be bougie at the grocery store and have a Gucci shopping tote. And this other one is beautiful. It's this galaxy. Look how cute that is. It says, what does that say? I don't know what those say, but it's this galaxy Gucci tote. Stunning. I wish Louis Vuitton and Hermes would have stuff like this for free. That would just make the experience so much better, right? Anywho, came in this big box. It says Gucci. And this is my second item of this because the first one had some scratches on it. I didn't inspect it before I took it home, and then of course that's when I inspected it. So they had to order me a brand new one. And comes with this tissue paper around. So, ready? Ta-da! I got literally the same bag but in this lighter leather, and it's this beautiful crystal embroidered embellished. Oh my gosh, I just love how sparkly it is. Hopefully you guys can tell how sparkly and shiny it is. Look at all these crystals. Stunning. And inside it just has one, maybe 2. Yeah, just one card holder, and then like this flap right here, that's where this card is sitting on. So it's just one compartment, even though the exterior looks like one of those accordion styles. It's not. Okay, in this dust bag we have, ta-da, this very cute chain, which is why I decided to make this purchase instead. I love the gold chain. You guys know I'm all about the chains. So cute. Oh my goodness, look how that is so cute. So here are the sisters. If you guys are not into the shiny, then definitely go for the more toned down sister or more of the bold sister. The GGs on this kind of makes it look like this is bigger than this. It's giving you that illusion, but they are the exact same size. And this bamboo looks like it's darkened a bit, and this is still fresh. So yeah, let's do some mug shots. For reference, I am 4'11". Here's how it looks just on the shoulder. It's a very cute date night bag. You can fit it on the crook of your arm and handheld. So cute. So I got these on Amazon, and they are fairly similar. It is a bit lighter in color, but once you have it on, it's not, you can't really tell. So it just looks like that. And then the other side, and I also love this extra hoop right here to put your chains on. So cute. So I have both chain extenders. And then I can now wear it crossbody. Look at that. So cute. And then when you open it, it's not really hitting your sides. Isn't that so cute? I did one more option. I got this other strap, also from Amazon, and it matches the leather fairly well, I would say. So this is how I would wear this for more of a casual look. And this one matches hardware's better. And this is adjustable. I'm not sure if it's actually leather, but look how cute that is. If you want it more casual, I think that's really cute. Love that. Here is the other Gucci bag, and like I said, this is the adjustable web strap, guitar strap. And this is really comfortable crossbody also. Super cute. And it gives more of an extra casual vibe with this. So nice. On the shoulder, same thing. You can also have it on the crook of your arm. It's so cute. And lastly, my Hermes Evelyn TPM, and this is how you're supposed to wear it, with the snap button in the front and then the H's on the back. But most people wear it this way, where the H is showing, and it's very subtle. And this is me tying that one knot on it. I am 4'11", like I said, and I'm a size 14. So this is, I feel, the most comfortable length for me. It sits where I would like it to be, which is a little bit above my waist, and the bottom part still hits me below my waist. So can fit right there. So cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, follow me on my socials, and I'll see you next time.